Most people missed it. But at Google I/O 2025, something subtle and massive changed. This was not a product update. It was, I believe, a structural reset. Because look, last year, AI was a toy. Today, it's your entire team. And I think Google didn't just release new tools. They democratized intelligent agents, and they embedded them into the tools that you already run your business with. Gmail, Docs, meetings, search, your browser, even your glasses. If you know how to design outcomes, not just tasks, and if you've been around, you know what I'm talking about, Google just handed you an AI army. And Gemini isn't a tool anymore. It's not even a chatbot anymore. It is a thinking layer between your business goals and the actions that make them happen. Because with Project Mariner, Deep Think Mode, Beam, Flow, Jules, Lyria, Google quietly built the infrastructure for one person to operate an entire business. This sounds like a productivity boost, but it's not. It is a redefinition of how work gets done. You do not need more tools. You need structure, you need leverage. And Google literally just handed it to you, integrated, contextual, and invisible. It is no longer about being faster or working harder. It is about knowing what to give away and what to keep. Because if you're still the one doing everything in your business, you are not running a business. You're working a job with extra steps. The edge nowadays belongs to the person who can think clearly and delegate precisely to AI. And no, this is not automation. I believe this is orchestration. The new skill stack, in my opinion, is very simple. Clarity of outcome, architecting prompts, and designing smart systems. Learn this now or compete with people who already have. Because in my opinion, this is exactly how you turn AI from a curiosity into a business system. Number one, start with outcomes. What needs to happen every day, even if you don't touch it? Client emails, content, research, delivery, insight. Look into what is essential and what repeats. Number two, map the workflow. What steps actually make the outcome happen? Not how you do it manually, but how it flows logically. This becomes the skeleton that your agent stack is going to follow. Number three, define the agent role. If this were a team member, what would they own? What does success look like for them? And what do they take off your plate? Number four, translate to AI language. This is where prompting becomes leadership. You give it the tone, the style, the context once, and then reuse it endlessly, unless you need to update the tone. And then, last but not least, iterate. You are not building hacks, you are training a team. You do not need to do more, you need to do it once, well, and then let it scale without you. This is the foundation of a one-person empire. And I believe that it is already available right now. Let me break it down. So if we look at what was announced at Google I/O, we have a lot of news. Gemini 2.5 Pro and Flash, they give you faster, more accurate responses for everything from coding to strategic planning with better reasoning and low cost. Deep Think Mode brings next level AI thinking power mode to solve complex problems and build high leverage solutions. Project Mariner lets your AI agent go online, interact with websites, filter listings, and make decisions on your behalf. Think Manus or Operator. Canvas can transform your content into full campaigns, web pages, podcasts, quizzes, visuals. Gemini Live brings voice-based screen sharing AI to your phone. It's your co-pilot, your eyes, everywhere. And then I'll take them as a bundle. Flow, Veo, Imagen 4, Lyria, they give you this entire full stack media team. Video, design, music, branded visuals with literally just your ideas, and they build everything from the ground up. And then they also announced Jules. This is your new coding agent. Think of it as your in-house developer that never sleeps. And now with extra glasses, real-time translation, and search that sees what you see, AI isn't something you visit. It's literally something that moves with you. All of this runs inside the tools that you already use. All of it is accessible, and it's designed for people who want to start and grow a business as much as possible by themselves. Now, I want to show you how to combine these tools to automate, scale, simplify your business idea by idea. So here are 20 agent stacks that a solo business owner can build right now or in a couple months when everything goes GA. So let's get into it because we've got a lot to cover. Number 1, Gemini plus Gmail plus personal context. This will automatically triage your inbox, will write replies in your voice, and will keep your focus on the real work. Number 2, Deep Search plus file uploads plus the AI mode. This will replace your VA with the full research team. Cited reports, competitor analysis, market trends, all of that, done. Number 3, Jules plus Canvas plus Firebase Studio. Essentially, this is where you describe an app idea and get a working prototype built and hosted. AI does the heavy lifting. Number 4, no, not 3, 4, Flow plus Lyria plus Imagine 4. You can turn an idea into an ad campaign, visuals, soundtrack, voiceover animation, all done by AI. And if you want that to be reviewed by a human to make sure everything meets the expectations, of course, you can always have a human in the loop. Number 5, Gemini Live plus Google Meet translation. Basically, now you can run global client calls even if you don't speak their language. You can translate and respond in real time. Think about the impact on your courses if you make courses. Number 6, AI search plus Canvas plus DeepThink. Start with a question, end with a blog post, lead magnet, SEO page, social media carousel from one idea. Number 7, Project Mariner, search, and agent checkout. Here you can think about automating product research, comparisons, and even placing orders end to end. Number 8, Canvas plus Gemini Pro plus AI Studio. You can think here about repurposing your content into 4 formats: podcast, quiz, newsletter, and dynamic pages. Number 9, VO plus Lyria plus Stitch. Here you can create high-quality branded explainer videos with design and sound in hours, not weeks. Number 10, Deep Research plus URL Context plus Canvas. This one will help you analyze competitor websites and generate your own high-converting comparison page. Number 11, Gemini in Chrome and AI mode. If you want to read a web page, AI extracts the key insights, writes the pitch, and drafts your next blog post. Think about content creation now. Number 12, Android XR plus Gemini Live. Here you get real-time information, reminders, and notes visible through your glasses. Hands-free productivity, right? Number 13, Firebase Studio plus Gemini Code Assist. This one will help you build, launch, and update your business web app at a fraction of the effort. Number 14, Search Live plus Deep Search. This will essentially enable you to point your camera at a product and get price comparisons, stock info, and competitor analysis. Think about that if you're in retail. Number 15, Native Audio, Text-to-Speech, Lyria, and Canvas. This is going to help you turn your blogs into multilingual podcasts. Think Notebook LM here. But also it helps you distribute it in 24 languages. 0 studio time. Number 16, Imagine 4 plus Gemini plus Social Schedule. You can convert plain text into onboard, ready-to-post social visuals daily, weekly, whenever. Number 17, Jules plus DeepThink plus MLKit. You can build a smart AI tool like lead scoring or customer segmentation, trade on your own data. Number 18, Canvas plus Gemini plus Meet. Think that after a call, you can auto-generate an onboarding deck and follow-up doc ready to review and send. Number 19, Stitch plus Firebase Studio plus Chrome Dev Tools. This one is going to allow you to redesign your homepage and deploy it with optimized code, no expensive agency needed. Last but not least, number 20, AI Studio plus Prompt Library plus Feedback Loop is going to help you to build a clone that handles repetitive consulting answers 24/7 and is trained on your own work. Whew. I mean, this was a lot, but honestly, that is the future of solopreneurship. Less hustle, almost no delegation, but a lot of value with a lot less friction. Now, I'm curious, which one will you build first? Let me know in the comments down below. And also, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, like it if you did. Be sure to share it with anyone in your circle of friends or family who you think needs to learn more about this. And if you want to take all of these ideas one step further and actually implement them and see how they can convert into a part or your entire AI business, then make sure you join our free community. Hopefully we've remembered to put the QR code here. The link is anyway going to be in the description box down below. Thank you for your patience. Sometimes it takes us a little bit more time to approve everybody because we get a lot of requests on a daily basis. So I appreciate your patience, but I promise you, you will not regret it. We asked the community members what was their win recently, and so many of them said literally just finding this community because it changed so many of my limiting beliefs, but also of my, potential paths that I can take now with AI. So give it a try. Come, let's hang out. And also make sure you join our AI challenges. They are free. We do them twice a month. We have bi-weekly calls. So lots to explore in there. So I'll be waiting for you on the other side. And until next time, I suggest you go ahead and watch this video over here. See you soon. Bye.